Hope you tried the challenge. Now let's see the solution. First, in the new word activity, we define a flag whether the word is new or not. By default, word is new. If the user gets extra in the bundle, it's going to be an existing word. Now we toggle the visibility of delete button based on the flag is new word. Now we set the click listener for delete button. Action will be similar to save. There will be some changes. So first I copy this code. We just need to pass the word. Its meaning is not needed for deletion. Result will be result underscore delete. We need to define this in constants. So we go to constants file. Import and finish the activity. Now return to main activity and implement on activity result. We copy this if part, paste it as else if. Action for delete. First we extract the word from the DB by its name. Then we call delete word. As this is optional, we have to unwrap it. That's it. We are done with the deletion operation. Click on an existing word. Say delete. Click on second word. Say delete. Click on new word and delete button is not present. One more thing we could do is add a toast message after deletion. Run the app again. Add one word first. Now click on delete. It displays the toast. In the next video, we will see how to delete the entire list of words instead of one word.